So next the jackal went to deer. Approached means going nearer to that person or animal. That is called approaching. Coming or going nearer to that person. So approached the deer and whispered. Whispering means speaking slowly. So if we say any secret to others, we whisper generally. So that is whispering, saying slow, speaking slowly. So what it whispered? It said that tiger was waiting for a chance to kill all the deers. But is it true? No, it's not true. But jackal is lying to all the animals. It wants to spoil the friendship of all the animals, and finally it wants to eat all the animals. So this is a story before the jackal entered the forest. All the animals were very happy. But after the jackal entered, it spoiled all the minds of the animals. So what happens? Now the friendship spoils. All the animals roams separately. So finally that is the plan of the jackal. It can eat all the animals easily and freely. Gradually all the animals began suspecting one another. Earlier they had lived together, slept together and roamed around the forest together. Now they started to put up boundaries and build fences around their properties. They moved about individually or with their own group. So all these poor animals believed the words of jackal. Jackal is deceiving all. It is cheating all the animals by lying to all the animals. But these poor animals believed, trusted the words of the jackal. So those animals thought that maybe tiger is going to kill us. What we are going to do after the tiger or lion kills us? But it's better to stay away from those wild animals. They thought like that. And gradually, slowly, all the animals started to move separately. They formed their own groups. All the rabbits formed a different group, and all the miners one group, peacocks one group, and crows, monkeys. So like that all these animals formed their own groups. They did not roam together in the forest, and they started to put the boundaries. Boundaries means, you know, right? So like fences in fields, you can see, in villages you can see they keep boundaries or fences with sticks or rocks, so that other persons cannot enter into our property. So like that all these animals set up the boundaries because they did not want to enter those wild animals into their properties, into their houses. They moved about individually, separately. Individually means separately. All the animals started to roam in the forest separately, but not together. Now it was easy for the jackal to hunt the smaller animals and the birds. And when the smaller ones cried out for help, no one came to help them. One by one, the little ones disappeared. The forest slept as the animals were afraid. There were no more musical evenings. The moon was sad. He cried. So this is the moment that jackal was waiting for. What is that? So jackal wanted to eat all the animals. So that's why it spoiled the minds and spoiled the friendship of all these animals. Now they started to move separately, individually. So this is the correct moment. This is the best chance for the jackal to eat all the small animals and birds. And when the smaller ones cried a lot for help, no one came to help those small animals. But previously, in the olden days, when all the animals were friends before the jackal entered the forest, when any small animal or small bird when it cried, all the animals came to help those smaller creatures. But now there is no animal coming for helping these smaller creatures. One by one, all the little ones, little animals, little birds are started to disappear. How they are disappearing? Because of the jackal. Jackal is eating all the small animals. That's why all these small birds and little chicks, all those are disappearing. The forest was so silent. Forest was sleeping because all the animals were dying. Because jackal is killing all the animals. Even forest was also unhappy. There was silence in the forest. There were no musical evenings also. When all the animals were friends, and when all the animals were very happy, they used to hold the musical evenings, parties in the evenings, and they used to invite the guest also. They used to dance, sing, everything. But now there are no musical evenings because now they are getting separated because of the jackal. So that's why there are no musical evenings. And the guest of the musical evenings, moon was also very sad, and moon was crying a lot by looking at the situation of all these poor animals. Moon knows that jackal spoiled the minds of all these animals. That's why these animals are behaving like that, and because of that these little poor animals are dying. Jackal is killing all the little animals. The moon thought for a while and decided to come down among the animals and the birds as a sadhu. As soon as the sadhu appeared in the forest, the animals and the birds approached him to narrate their tales of woe. They cried, sobbed, and blamed each other for disturbing the peace in the forest, and the sadhu listened to them. So, moon got an idea. What is that? I will go among all these animals. I will go to forest and I will talk to all these animals, and I will come to know what is the problem. Then I can easily solve the problem. Moon thought like that. So immediately Moon disguised himself as a sadhu. Moon changed his get-up as a sadhu. So Moon came into the forest as a sadhu, and this sadhu asked all the animals, what is your problem? What happened actually? Why are you getting separated? Why are you roaming in the forest separately? Not like previously. Why so? It asked for the reason. Then all the animals started to talk at a time. All these animals. See, you can look at the picture. See, all those animals are talking about its tale of woe. W-O-E. Woe means what? Sad stories. All these animals are telling its sad experiences, sad stories of them. Then Moon is listening to all the animals patiently. All these animals cried a lot because they lost their babies, right? So that's why all those animals are crying, sobbing. Sobbing means crying with lot of pain, and blaming each other. Blaming means showing that other person's mistake. You have done a mistake. I have not done any mistake. The whole mistake is yours. Because of you I am behaving like that. So that is called blaming, showing other person's mistake. So all the animals blamed each other for disturbing the peace and harmony, peace in the forest. And Sadhu listened to them patiently.